So my name is Isaiah Anthony Maciel. I am a junior here. I am in the class of 2027. I am in the engineering pathway. I'm in the junior class as of now. Bosco, for me, my favorite part is the brotherhood. I love coming every day and seeing my friends, and I just remember having all my favorite memories here. I like to make the connections with my friends. I like to understand like where they're coming from and their background, and just seeing all these different people coming to Bosco and like all uniting under like being a brother. We don't nobody strays away from, oh, this person's different, I'm not gonna be his brother. Everybody's nice to each other, everybody's gonna be here for each other, and these are like friendships I'll have for the rest of my life. Because of Bosco, I can be whatever I want to be. I could dream big, I could shoot for the stars, literally. If I want to, I could literally be an astronaut, I could literally be an engineer, which is what I want to do, or I could be a doctor in the future. But Bosco will prepare me for that. It'll show me what I have to know and what I have to accomplish to get there. So I believe that the annual fund campaign is very important because it allows everybody who wants to be here to be here. If you really want to be here, Bosco can make it happen. They could help you if it's a tuition issue, if it's a ride issue. There's always ways that they can come and help you, and that's a big important part, to allow students to have the opportunity to be here and to learn from the amazing teachers that we have, and to enjoy the brotherhood